That rattling, pinging noise coming from your engine bay isn't just annoying, it is a desperate cry for help coming specifically from cylinder number 6. If your diagnostic tool is showing you a P2341 code, it means your power control module has detected a signal from the knock sensor on cylinder 6 that is way above the acceptable limit. Think of the knock sensor as a microphone that listens for bad vibrations. It is made with piezoelectric crystals that create a small voltage when they vibrate. When your engine knocks, whether due to bad timing, low-quality fuel, or internal damage, that sensor spikes the voltage, and the computer lights up your check engine lamp. This is a code you want to address immediately because engine knock can go from a minor nuisance to catastrophic engine failure if a piston or rod decides to quit. You might feel diminished performance, poor fuel economy, or hear that distinct clattering sound. Before you panic, check the basics. Is your oil level correct? Are you using the right octane fuel? Sometimes simple engine noise from something loose can trick the sensor, so make sure there are no rattling brackets nearby. To troubleshoot, you'll need a scanner and a digital volt ohm meter. A great pro tip is to clear the code and test drive the vehicle to see if it comes back immediately or if the computer enters readiness mode. If it returns, you need to visually inspect the wiring leading to the cylinder 6 sensor. Rodents love chewing these wires. If the wiring is good, unplug the connector and check for continuity back to the PCM. Be very careful if you are removing the sensor itself, as they often thread into the engine block and you do not want hot coolant or oil on you. Also, do not ignore your ignition system. Old spark plug wires can cause interference that mimics a knock signal. If your car is overdue for a tune-up, start there. In many cases, it is either a bad sensor, a wiring issue, or actual spark knock that you need to resolve to save your engine.